Hello everyone! Kumusta? Welcome back to my channel!
Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over.
Beautiful, isn't it? So for today's video, guys, is from Babalabags company. Thank you so much for your generosity. So this is my appreciation video for Babalabags company for being so generous in my channel. So I will be doing an unboxing and a detail of information about this is from my own opinion, okay? And I definitely do a try on outdoor to this, okay? So a little bit information about this company, guys. This is another online store in the market that carries luxury replica products such as bags, purses, shoes, accessories, a lot more. So I have here for you guys to have an eyesight, at least to have an idea of what product they are selling into market. So here are some of those, and they do have a lot of good deals though. Summer is here. You can definitely use my discount coupon LC3478, a little bit of dollar add on. That will definitely help to put something on our table. They have a lot of sales going on into market, guys. So without further ado, let's begin to unboxing. I can't really wait. This is a huge box. So we'll see. We'll find out how is this product. Okay. So let's unbox this. Can't wait though. Please, careful when using sharp objects. Okay. All right. So here this is. Big one, no? Huh. Let's open up. Wow. Smells so good. Ooh. Hi. Look at this. Okay, let's proceed. Let's proceed. I'm just super excited. Good one here. Bubble wrap. Okay. Take that all. And so hope you can see that clearly. So I got two hair compartment. Okay. Here. Okay. So I got here two and another zipper. Oh, you hear that? Ha! Zipper slide perfectly. Oh. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay. Big one, no? Okay. Let's carry on this. This is the shoulder here. Let's take this off. Okay. See how sealed this is, guys. Very protected. Ooh. Fancy. Right? With the name on it. Okay, so this one has a rubber protector too. Let's take that off. Okay. With the name on it. Not sure if you can see that clearly. Think so, right? And okay. So I got 3 pockets inside. One with a zipper and 2 with this kind of, like, maybe this is a card pocket, you know. So let's take this off. Right? Wow, big one. And then there is another one. included in that is a small purse. Okay, small purse. Okay, let's take the protector off, and the one here too. See? Okay, let's take the protector off for this small purse. Let's connect. Let's check this one first before we connect, okay? Oh, look at that. The shoulder handle is just so heavy duty though. Very heavy duty. Leather with the name on it. I hope you can see that now. Check. Everything is in line. Look at this. Wow. And the holes is your adjustment, your preference of length or height, right? Okay. I choose the very last one. Let's try, and then I will adjust in my try on when it's so far I choose the very first one, and then guys, this one is very heavy duty. This one, no, the handle locked, and then I have the D holder here for this purse. Okay, let's connect this one. Okay, and then attach this here. All right, so you can use this, or you can also use this separately. I like this one. It looks very heavy duty too. See? And oh, again. Oh, okay. So we can use this, for instance. We can put makeup on in here. We can put our phone as well. And some cards, if you don't feel like bringing your wallet, then we can use this instead. And check this, guys. Okay, look at this. Wow, how beautiful is this? Right? Check all. Everything is in line. Perfectly in line. Look at this. And this is some kind of lock, I believe. Put that way. And make some, and I hope that's right. So yeah. Very beautiful. Thank you so much, Babalabag, for this. And look at this, guys. We can definitely use this in the office. Laptop will for sure fit in here, and lots more. As you can see, this is very roomy, no? Very roomy, guys. So, what are you waiting for? You can use my code LC3478. That will help lessen the figure, right? So, what do you say? What do you think of this? This is big. This is very roomy. Good for traveling though. And to going to the office too. Like I can fit in my laptop here, truthfully. This is about the size of like roughly 14 inches here. And then the width is like 10 inches or 11 something roughly. And then the one here, as you can see. So this is around maybe 5, 6 inches here. What you call this? And beautiful, right? Oh goodness, I can't wait to use this in I'm thinking of going out of Edmonton for the July Canada Day. I would definitely use this, and this is very beautiful. No, I super love this. Babalabags, thank you for this. Perfect for outdoor. Summer is here, so this is very perfect for this season, really. Well, this is all season, truthfully, right? But I will definitely use this in going to out of Edmonton. I will be traveling, so yeah, I can't wait to use this. This is very good. And one more thing, on top of that, there is a lock here, a magnetic lock. Okay, see how roomy this, the inside? Very roomy, no? So if in case you feel like using this, but just this one, this is included in this purse, okay? So we can definitely use this. Just attach this one here and just like that, you know, safe, at least hooked in our wrist. And we can put some cards definitely here. Very roomy too. Phone will fit here too. Yeah, receipt or something, you know, when you're going for an errand and you don't feel like using this and just this one, definitely we can still do that. So phone fit here, cards, of course, the money is in the cards, right? So yeah, and then, so this is a continuation wrapped. So you can see the name, it's in order, no? And then, and this side, you know, so that's the thing. That would be beautiful if the same level name would be the same like this. But I guess everybody looks like this or in this way. So again, I have here, which is very beautiful. Look at that. And the same thing here. And so I used the very first one because I'm not big woman, right? I'm just a small woman. Okay, so yeah. So what do you say? Beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Definitely is beautiful. Good for summer escapade, right? Very beautiful. Thank you so much, Babalabags, for this. I super love this. And the material, guys. Oh, goodness. The material is like a soft leather material. And it smells so good. Just smells so good. You know, the pricey smell. Yeah. So who could tell that this is a replica? For me, my own personal opinion, I just couldn't tell though. It's just the same material, beautiful, the same. So what are you waiting for? Please go check Babalabags in my description below. I have all the information there, please, and you can use my coupon LC3478. That will help reduce your price. Please go check, guys, and I will see you in my try-on outdoor to this.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolds. unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's with the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by